So a recent question I got asked was, what's your best SEO advice for newbies? Well, I think you should probably just travel back in time to 2003 where it's really easy and start blogging. No, but in all seriousness, you can't travel back in time. That doesn't exist yet. But you should start creating content. You should start creating helpful content and focus on building an audience. Why that's really important is because when you're creating content, even if you don't have a product that's live, even if you just have a half-assed idea, start creating content. You're putting the foundations in marketing, which will drive traffic to your brand. You get more eyeballs on your brand. You're creating valuable stuff. You're creating keyword-rich content, or you're creating content that can help solve your potential customers' problems. And this is all great keyword and high relevant content. Over time, more and more people will see this. And potentially, more and more people will build or link to it, and you'll start to rank. And in order to rank, I would suggest writing guest posts and getting in front of other people's audiences, not just for the links, but also for the audience. And lastly, you'll build that audience on your site. So when you do have that product to sell, or let's say you already have it, now you can get folks coming through the door. Now, SEO is not quick. It's the exact opposite of fast. So it will take some time, but hang in there. It does work. It does take some time. So get started yesterday.